Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Sounds of the Valley. I'm your host, Nathan Blazer. Tonight, I have the privilege of having on with me Wyatt Thomson. Wyatt, thank you so much for coming on.
Well, thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, so I'll just let you get right into your music here, and I'll see you halfway through the show here for our interview, okay?
Excellent. This is an original tune I call Gasoline and Cigarettes. Have you heard the stories of the world's baddest woman? She's the worst that you've ever seen. She's robbed and murdered, raped and plundered up to New York and down to Mexicali and anywhere between. She robbed a liquor store in Johnsburg, Illinois, or was it Gary, Indiana? I don't know. But quick as a wink, them coppers arrived. She had to pick up her things and had to go in a souped-up 4x4. She's off on the run with a loaded gun and a V8 that's running high. The engine, it screams, I ain't got more steam, 'cause I'm giving it all I've got. I'm giving it all I've got. She's got hair like a crow, the voice of a songbird with a spider web tattooed on her neck. She's broke 100,000 hearts from here down to Galesburg, but it doesn't seem that she'll be quitting yet. I heard about a fight someplace out near Portland at a place called the Jailbird Inn. The two stepping back, the crowd heard a crack, but they never found that man alive again. She took off running there and then. So her travels ensue by the light of the moon, with a high price that's on her head. The devil, he shot, your time is running out, because I'll get my hands on you, yeah. I will get my hands on you, yeah. She moves with the wind, she sings like a siren, but she's meaner than a rattlesnake at best. Fist fights and bars with blood stains and scars. She stinks like gasoline and cigarettes. Born from the mud, the muck and the mire, they say she crawled from hell itself. Looks damn good and red, her eyes appear dead. She never needs nobody else. She's better off by herself. So her life, as it seems, was all broken dreams, but this gal was never born to quit. The devil, he's real and he's hot on her heels, with hellhounds chomping at the bit. With hellhounds chomping at the bit. With hellhounds chomping at the bit. This next one I wrote is a little ballad. My interpretation of a sappy country song in G. This one's called Sad Records and Country Tunes. Birds singing in the trees, them cottonwoods in the breeze. It's way too goddamn hot today. The sun is raging down, and it's 99 degrees. I guess I'll rest my bones in the shade. Guess there's not much else to do. And there's not much left to say about you. 'Cause I've tried, and it feels like there ain't no use. I'll have to keep on keeping on without you. Face flat on the floor, and I'm still drunk from the night before. Good to think that I don't work today. Had a big night on the town, chasing every bit of tail around. It's been too long since I got laid. But what the hell you want me to say? Just don't know what to do without you. 'Cause I've tried and how I've tried, and somehow I keep on pulling through. I'll have to keep on keeping on without you. Wallow in self-pity 'cause I fooled myself with pride. I'm getting drunk and screaming the song about the day that the music died. Sad records and country tunes until the break of dawn. It's no use, they don't bring you back, they're just the same old songs. You expect me to believe it's not you, it's really me. Gee, where have I heard that line before? glorified to be on your own. It's all just one big excuse and nothing more. So is there nothing I can say? Is there nothing that I can do for you? 'Cause I've tried and I've cried, but nothing seems to be breaking through. I'll have to keep on keeping on without you. I'll have to keep on keeping on without you. This is one I wrote with some real good friends of mine, a band called the Driftless Revelers. Me and the banjo player got together and wrote this little ditty. I wrote the first half, Ben wrote the second half because I got too lazy. This is one about the honest and true travel logs of the touring musician, basically talking about how touring life is not glamorous. It's not all sunshine and rainbows and parties. It's just a bunch of sweaty dudes crammed into a caravan driving 4 hours to a $300 gig and maybe finding a place to sleep that night. This one is called Why Do I Worry? Or Why Should I Worry? A little story that I'll tell to you. It's awful sad, but I swear that it's true. Playing music with life on the road, it's awful tough for us, so I've been told. But worry, why should I worry? 'Cause I've got blue skies today. Worry, oh tell me why should I worry? 'Cause everything is going my way. A motorhome inside a mall parking lot. It isn't much, but it's all that I've got. And I always have the police asking me, hey, what's the smell coming from under the seat? But worry, why should I worry? 'Cause I've got blue skies today. Worry, oh tell me baby, why do I worry? 'Cause everything is going my way. I can't afford a single hotel room after a weekend of picking the blues. Back on the road for another 12-hour day. I feel the time go by just wasting away. But worry, why should I worry? 'Cause 'cause I've got blue skies today. Worry, or tell me, baby, why do I worry? 'Cause everything is going my way. The show's over, the crowd's all gone, and I forgot my name. I knew it wouldn't take long. I'll grab my meal and then I'll finish my beer. I'll take my pay and get the hell out of here. So worry, why should I worry? 'Cause I've got blue skies today. Worry, oh tell me, why do I worry? 'Cause everything is going my way. Oh worry, why should I worry? 'Cause I've got blue skies today. Oh worry, tell me, baby, why should I worry? 'Cause everything is going my way. 'Cause everything is going my way. Because everything is going my way.